It is Wine Down Wednesday, thanks to Sarasota-Manatee Originals. And we're in our Rice's Appliance kitchen with one of the originals, Element Steak, Seafood, and Pasta. We are so happy this morning to have Chef Scott Morlock from Element join us. So describe the vibe at Element. What's it like there?
We are a full-service steakhouse, but we also do seafood and pasta. Super laid-back, casual, upscale vibe. Great bar, happy hour environment.
And now brunch,
outside
right?
terrace. And now we just started doing Sunday brunch every Sunday.
Yes.
Oh, what fun. That sounds great.
We're doing
Super sexy date night. You guys keep a really nice
Yeah, absolutely.
romantic vibe in there that we love.
And these ladies know, they know how to have a party. So what are you cooking for us this morning?
Today we have a lovely Faroe Island salmon. Nice and fresh. We're going to be pan-searing that in a little butter right here,
Okay.
so we can season that up. And then we're also going to be making an herb and lemon rice cake, which uses a little jasmine rice. And then we're going to finish that off with a little passion fruit mustard glaze.
Oh, this sounds good.
Okay.
So first we put, is that butter?
Well, we're going to start with a little bit of oil, and then we're going to finish it with butter. Because
Okay.
the butter will burn if you cook it for too long. So we just get a little oil in there, and then
What do you like best about the Faroe Island salmon?
it's got a real buttery taste, and it's just got a really nice mouthfeel.
I don't know what to look for when I go to the grocery store to buy salmon. That's why I have to go by your place and have you do it for me.
Absolutely. All right, so
All
over
right,
here,
so what are we doing here?
what I got here is we pre-made a little jasmine rice.
Okay.
So we're going to put some of this in here,
Okay.
and then what we do is we let that cool down completely
Okay.
before we make a rice cake out of it. And then here I got a little herb blend. We got a little
Okay.
mint and dill if you want to throw a spoonful of that in
So
there.
this is mint and dill.
Yep.
Okay.
That must be what I'm smelling. That smells so good.
Oh, yes.
Little
And
bit
then
of
a
mayo.
little spoonful of the mayo. That's going to bind the rice cake for us.
Okay.
And then we're going to zest a little lemon in there just for some extra flavor.
Gotcha.
This is looking good.
And then we'll hit that with a little bit of salt and pepper. Just because
This
we
looks darker. Is this a
like
brown
to put salt and
jasmine?
pepper on everything. Well, what I do is I season the jasmine with a little bit of soy and sesame oil when I cooked it.
Oh, really? So a lot went into that beforehand.
Absolutely.
After it's cooked, you toss it and then chill it.
Yep, so what we'll do here is we're going to chill it first, the rice completely, then we toss it all together with the ingredients.
Okay.
And then we're going to press it down. We use these ring molds at the restaurant to make...
Okay. I think we're good there.
So what we'll do is we'll spoon that into the mold.
That's a nice idea, adding that to the rice. I usually do it just super plain, but I like adding the dill.
And then we'll sear this so we get a nice crispy side.
Oh,
So you have some texture. So you have a nice soft center and then a nice crispy on the outside.
Okay. Thank you.
okay.
press
Oh,
that
this looks
down.
like fun to make.
Boom.
We need to get some molds for the house.
I was very confused for a second.
Yeah,
there.
and
I was
it's
like,
not
how?
falling apart here.
Well, you got the mayo
Tracy
in there.
patted
That's
it
going to
down
bind it.
beautifully.
So then that'll go there. So we did take the liberty of pre-making one so we can plate it up for you guys.
Okay.
Yes, that's a
So-
good idea.
I'll show you how that's done.
We need to know. Can you use diet mayonnaise in something like this, or is that?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. You can use diet mayonnaise. You can use...
I don't feel like it binds as well when you use the
Really?
lighter mayonnaise.
I
I've
always
done that
want
with
that.
like egg salad and stuff, and I feel like you need the full fat.
Okay, I'll stay away from the diet mayonnaise.
So what we do,
We're not the ones to ask, Linda.
we get that nice and hot, then we just set it down there. We're going to set our salmon right on top of there.
Oh,
And then we got some nice passion fruit mustard glaze. So what we did is we took some passion fruits and we pureed them, and then we mixed them with a little whole grain mustard to make a nice flavor profile.
Yes.
oh.
And we're just going to cascade that right over the top.
Was that a
my
passion fruit
gosh.
puree that you used?
We actually take fresh passion fruits and we puree them ourselves.
Okay.
Oh, who knew?
This looks fantastic.
So then we like
So
to
we've got
finish
about a
this
minute and
thing
a
off.
half.
We have this little ribbon salad right here. So we're just going to mix this with
Okay.
a little lemon vinaigrette. And that goes right on the side.
That's so nice and light.
Oh,
This
yeah.
is beautiful.
And we did take the liberty of pairing this with our Chardonnay from Selby Wines,
Yes.
We love Selby wine.
who we will be doing a wine dinner with coming up in July on the 12th.
Okay,
On the
thank
12th
you.
of July. Oh,
Yes.
this will be fun. We can learn so much
in
from you.
full wine down Wednesday fashion.
Beautiful.
Thank you,
And
Chef.
this would be on your brunch on Sundays? What's on the brunch?
On the brunch, we have some lovely shareable boards. Right here, we have.
This is gorgeous.
This is our house-made
Yes.
gravlax. We do 2 different styles. One is smoked and one is beet cure.
Okay.
And then we
nice.
have an avocado toast board and a French toast board that are shareable for the table.
gosh.
That's so nice
Oh,
for
It's like a
brunch.
charcuterie
What
for
is
brunch.
Yes.
this secret sauce and these yumminess at the end?
Right there, I got some sweet chili aioli, and then I made a little sweet onion jam. I did some pickled watermelon rinds, some pickled onions, and then I got a charred scallion cream cheese.
Oh,
Oh
this
my
sounds
gosh.
so good. You've got to check it out.
Yes.
Remember, they have a brunch, elementsrq.com. That's elementsrq.com. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Happy Wednesday and happy Wine Down Wednesday.